The objective of this lesson is that the student will be able to 1. Understand what a fraction is, 2. Convert a fraction to a decimal number, and 3. State whether a given fraction is a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Fractions are used to show parts of a whole, and they are used in many applications. For example, they are used in sewing, in cooking, in construction, and in the stock market. These are just a few examples. Fractions consist of a bar, a number above the bar called the numerator, and a number below the bar called the denominator. For example, in the following diagram, we can represent the yellow squares as a fraction of the whole object as follows: 3/5. This fraction means that 3 out of a total of 5 squares are colored yellow. So 3/5 means 3 out of 5. It can also be read as 3/5, 3 over 5, or 3 divided by 5. For the fraction 3/5, the numerator is the number above the bar, and the denominator is the number below the bar. Here the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. Now, an important skill is to convert a fraction to a decimal number. So, in order to convert a fraction to a decimal number, divide the numerator by the denominator. In this case, 3/5 is equal to 3 divided by 5. You take the numerator divided by the denominator, 3 divided by 5, gives you 0.6. So 3/5 is equal to 0.6. In proper fractions, the numerator is less than the denominator. Ignore the minus sign for negative fractions. Examples include 3/5, 2/3, 1/2, -2/7, and 3,335 over 5,000. Notice that in each case the numerator is less than the denominator. In improper fractions, the numerator is greater than the denominator, and ignore the negative sign for negative fractions. Examples include 8 over 7, 5 over 2, 2 over 1, -9 over 7, 5550 over 1009. Notice here 8 is greater than 7, 5 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1, 9, forget about the negative sign, 9 is greater than 7, 5550 is greater than 1009. So all of these are improper fractions. Okay, let's look at an example. For each of the following fractions, convert the fraction to a decimal number and state whether the fraction is a proper fraction or an improper fraction. Okay, so let's do that. In A, to convert this to a decimal number, you just simply divide 4 divided by 7. And we'll round this to 2 decimal places. So this is 0.57. Now, is it a proper fraction or an improper fraction? Well, we look at the numerator. The numerator is 4 and the denominator is 7. So 4 is less than 7. So this is a proper fraction. Okay, let's do the same type of thing for 12 over 10, 12 tenths. So first of all, as a decimal number, we go 12 divided by 10 gives you 1.20. And again, we'll round to 2 decimal places. And here, 12 is greater than 10. The numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. And in C, as a decimal number, go -30 divided by 25. And we get 1.20. Now, this is an improper fraction because 30 is greater than 25. Forget the negative sign. And that's how you do these.